Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, aka Mike, aka PTCAC representative, and I am going to attempt a painting that I saw on YouTube. Basically, the idea is I'm going to flood the canvas and then pour in rings across here, and then tilt the rings across the canvas. I don't know how well this is going to work. I tried it on an 8x10 and it worked decently, but I don't know how well it's going to work overall. So I finally did the painting for my homeboy, for his daughter, so now I get to try different colors again. And so I am going to use, the base color is going to be Master's Touch Black, permanent black, and I'm using metallics. So I'm going to use Antique Gold Master's Touch. I am going to use this brown red metallic. Is more like a bronze or copper, whichever. I don't really know. I think it's more of a copper. We're going to say copper. And I'm going to use this silver to try to make it so that it's not as dark. And another way that I'm going to make sure that it's not as dark for the rings, I'm also going to use this Artist Loft metallic white. I'm using everything is metallic with the exception of the black, and we're just going to get this thing popping. So one moment and we'll get to it. Hey, and we're back. This is the close-up portion, and I really kind of dig this. It's a I don't really do a whole lot of ribbons, so this is, I mean, that's basically what this is, just ribbons, and it kind of looks like shifting sand. That's probably what I'm going to end up calling this. So let's do our close-up. I can see there's like a lot of little bubbles. It doesn't bother me that much, not on this, but there's a lot of little bubbles. I probably should have let my paint sit a little bit longer, but I really kind of dig this. I'm gonna try this again with some different colors, possibly trying this again on white. And I still have some paint left over, so I'm probably gonna silicone and flip cup that. So be on the lookout for that painting, and there you have it. I don't think there's any part of this that's like my absolute favorite, but I really dig the whole painting a lot, and I'm gonna try this style a little bit more in the future. So of course, go to the Facebook page, facebook.com/PTCAC, and you know, like, share, subscribe, you know, do the thing. You know, y'all know what the thing is. Do the thing. Holla at your boy. Peace out.